Koba.Siani, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to the Koba.Siani Advent Calendar. I cannot tell you how long I've wanted to make a Christmas sweater for myself. My idea was that it should be cool, not too cheesy, warm and fleecy, with a little bit of color, with wax print, if possible, and not too Christmas-like, so I could wear it during the whole winter time. And here is the result. Snowflake applications on an organic cotton sweater. Let's have a look on how I've made this. Have fun! First, I'm transferring the snowflake shape to the application foil. That's the paper side and below the gluing side.
Please also transfer the grain line to the foil. This I forgot to do in the video. Afterwards, I'm cutting the snowflake roughly.
Now I'm ironing on the snowflake on the foil onto the left fabric side.
Please take care now that the grain line is now matching to the grain line of the fabric.
And afterwards I can cut the snowflake now exactly along the lines.
Sound of a bow of a reindeer hood. So many parcels, what can they be? Under the skirts of a glittering tree. Under the skirts of a glittering tree.
Here I'm putting all the snowflakes in their position on my sweater and fixing them with pins. But this you should check when you wear the sweater.
Hush, hush, little children, run up to...
Now I'm going to fix these with my iron, and as you can see I've used different materials. With the normal wax print that will be no problem. This one probably won't glue properly, so I'll fix it with pins additionally. And for this one, for the fake leather one, I have to use a cloth to put on it. So first I'm going to pull all the foils off.
Beautiful angel on top of the tree, blows a kiss for each other.
So it does not glue at all. I'll fix it just with pins.
Can see. Be silent, listen, who's on the roof? Donner or Blitzen or Rudolph's hoof? Beautiful angel on...
Trick with ironing the snowflake from the wrong fabric side worked well, or quite well for the fur, but the leather doesn't stick. You see it here. A little bit. Naja. I leave the pins in better. Now I stitch on the snowflakes. For the normal fabric, I just stitch tightly along the edge. This is for normal woven fabrics or also jersey fabrics.
A shorter stitch length can help here to get well around all the corners. And of course I'm using a sewing thread in a matching color.
No child must peek. Pine cones and candles, snow.
Fake leather, I'm doing the same, but I'll exchange my sewing foot to my Teflon sewing foot.
So many parcels, what can they be? Under the skirts of a glittering tree.
Material, the fake fur, I'm going with a zigzag stitch, and I reduced the stitch width a little bit to 2 mm, and also a tiny little bit the stitch length. And when I'm sewing, I'm pushing away the hair a little bit so that I don't sew in too many of these.
Warmed by the steam, millions of toys on Santa's sleigh, flying round the world.
The snowflakes are stitched on, and as a last step, but this is only my personal opinion and a matter of taste, you could wash the garment so that the fabric edges here fray a little bit, peel off and come up. So there's a little bit of 3D effect or used effect. I like that very much, and I like I find this is a little bit too plain and too boring. So I will wash my sweater and show you later.
Please wash these garments always inside out.
After washing, the edges went a little bit off and are a little bit frayed. And yes, in my opinion, this looks more vivid and more interesting.
Ready? Thanks for watching my video. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care. See you in my next video. Bye.
Has left you a lovely surprise.